Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have this. This is a Sully silicone case for my flipper, Zero, whatever, 10. So let's see what this thing looks like. So this is the case here, and this is the flipper. So we're going to try to put this thing in the case and see how it looks and works. So it's going to go this way here. I got the white case, and you can see it comes printed with all the little numbers and things. I don't know, can you? Yeah, so you have the numbers on the original, and so you have the numbers here, so you'll still be able to connect things up into it. And it's still got all the ports available, so you have your little SD port, your charging port. Mine's not charged right now, it's dead. I haven't used it in a little while. But you got your infrared there, and I don't even know what those things connect up to. Can you even see it? There, those. I'm not sure what those are even supposed to connect up to. But you see it's got everything's still labeled really good. Nice case, and it's silicone, and so now my flipper is somewhat protected against drops and whatnot. So I'm going to say this is a cool device. Thumbs up. Very easy, simple, and does what it needs to do and doesn't make it too big, so I like that. So definitely thumbs up.